Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Paige Lavoie channel where I, Paige, am here to apologize and give us a pep talk in a 60-second video. So I said at the beginning of the month of November that I was going to not only do NaNoWriMo, but make a video every single weekday on this channel. And during the week of Thanksgiving, that promise fell short. So I want to formally apologize to all of you guys for that. It is no fault but my own. I could make a million excuses about how hosting Thanksgiving was way busier than I thought it was going to be, but I should have planned ahead. I should have scheduled more videos. I tried to schedule a video and it never went up. So that was kind of a bummer. I might post it later and just do a little intro saying it was for NaNoWriMo. Maybe I'll save it for Camp NaNoWriMo. I'm not really sure. The truth is, I meant to have more content. I had some scripts planned. I was going to do this really funny, like hiding in my pantry and writing during Thanksgiving skit. And it just did not pan out. I hope that if you hit 50K, you are celebrating, you are rewarding yourself, and I hope that if you did not hit 50K, you are not punishing yourself. I got called out for doing this to myself today. So, little story time for anyone who might be in a similar place. I started slow with NaNoWriMo. I continued to be slow the entire time, and I didn't finish. I remained in that 20K realm. I still like the writing that I did. I like the characters I developed. I plan on doing more with this story and finishing it. However, I was being really mean to myself. I told myself when I finished NaNoWriMo, because there's only a week left, I was going to go out and buy Queen of Nothing, which I'm very excited to read. And since I didn't finish, I was like, well, I guess I have to pick another big lofty goal until I can buy this book because I'm not buying it until I do something important because I don't deserve it yet. And I told this to one of my friends, and she was like, Paige, don't punish yourself for not writing enough. Like, that's not how it works. That's not fair. And she was absolutely right. So don't punish yourself. Don't be mean to yourself. Cherish the words that you have written so far. Celebrate all of those paragraphs, all of those characters that you just made. And remember, NaNoWriMo is not the end. We have so much time to finish these stories, and we will. As long as we put forth the effort, we keep writing every day, even if you miss a day. We say write every day frequently, and it's a good habit. It's a great practice to be in. But some days you're going to miss, and when you do that, don't beat yourself up. Pick yourself back up, pick your pen back up or your keyboard or whatever you're writing with, and keep going with this story. Now, I'm not saying you have to do it immediately. For me, I'm jumping back into revisions for my finished draft that I did in October. Another reason why I feel like I had a hard time fully committing to my Beauty and the Beast story. I still had my heart in my other story. I had just wrapped it up. I really wanted to get back to it, but I think the time and distance away from it is going to make me better at revisions. So everything has its time, everything has its purpose. This was a really great escape for me in moments, and when Dear Galaxy is all finished up, I cannot wait to fully immerse myself in Beauty and the Beast and dive back into this draft. So, whatever progress that you made this month, make sure that you are not punishing yourself. You are celebrating those successes, however big, however small. Writers Atelier has an amazing revisions workbook if you are at 50K and you're looking to figure out what to do next. Figuring out how to clean up that rough draft, how to add more, bulk up those scenes. There are some really great resources out there for you. So I hope that you have a great holiday season. I'm thinking about doing a Christmassy holiday themed write-in. If that is something you'd be interested in, please leave a comment below. Maybe we could like have some cookies, drink some cocoa, and do all holiday themed prompts. I think that would be a lot of fun. And honestly, since I missed that last week of NaNoWriMo with you here on this YouTube platform, I would really, really like to just hang out, do some writing, and connect with everybody. I hope that you enjoyed this very like laid back motivational minute. I just kind of wanted to pop on here and talk and be very honest and Uh, I don't know, writing is really, it's a hard thing, especially when there is so much life and chaos going around us. For everyone who carved out the time to hit 50K, I applaud you. And if this month was more challenging than you anticipated, or you just ran out of steam, I also applaud you. You got a really great start, and that is nothing to feel bad about. We are stepping into a new month with new opportunities, new experiences, and new stories to tell. So go out there, make memories, connect with your community, get some writing done, drink some cocoa, and I will see you later. Bye, everyone!